How to create a textured pop art photo effect in Photoshop. The first step is right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Threshold. Adjust the level of slider to accurately show some of the nice details of hoodie shirt of your image. For me about 193 works fine. Then press OK. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on the Smart Filters. Decrease the level of slider to accurately show some of the nice details of face and hair of your image. For me about 115 works fine. Then click OK. Click Add Layer Mask icon. Open your brush tool, click the foreground color, and make sure black. Then click OK. Paint with black to reveal their shirt. Create a new layer. Open your polygonal lasso tool, and then select the black background. Go to Edit, and Fill window. Under the Contents, select white. Then click OK. Go to Select, and Deselect to remove selection. Go to Layer panel, click on the Adjustment Layer icon and Gradient Map. Click to edit the gradient. Open the Basics preset folder. In black and white, double-click lower left color stop slider. In the color picker, choose dark gray color. And for the white, I will pick muted yellow color for this effect. Click OK on both windows. Then close Properties. Go to Window, and Pattern, click the 3 lines, and select the Legacy Patterns and more. And then close Window. Create a new layer. Go to Layer, New Fill Layer, and Pattern. Then click OK. Click the Pattern Picker. Open the Legacy Patterns and more. Legacy Patterns, and the Texture Fill 2. Under the Texture Fill 2, select Web Texture. Increase the scale to 500%. Then click OK. Change the blend mode to Overlay. Decrease the opacity to 40%. And this is the result.